Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Subaru WRX turbo flutter. We'll cover the essential components and modifications needed to achieve that distinctive sound. Understanding the mechanics behind turbo flutter is key to safely modifying your vehicle for this effect. Let's dive into the details and get your WRX sounding just right, enhancing your driving experience. To achieve turbo flutter, you'll primarily need an aftermarket blow-off valve, or valve. This component helps release excess pressure, creating the desired sound. Pairing it with a high-flow intake system will further amplify the flutter. Remember, selecting quality parts is important for both sound, engine longevity, and overall performance. Once you have your components, careful installation is next. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines precisely for your blow-off valve and intake system. After installation, professional tuning is highly recommended. A good tune will optimize your engine's performance and ensure the turbo flutter is produced safely without causing any long-term issues. While turbo flutter is a cool sound, safety is paramount. Incorrect modifications can lead to engine damage or reduced performance over time. Always consult with experienced Subaru mechanics or tuners before making significant changes. Prioritizing your engine's health ensures you enjoy the sound without compromising your WRX's reliability. Drive safely and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.